Hi everyone, I'm Karthikesan Manikabasagan from SJKT Ladang Bagansarai Pera. Today I'm going to present entitled MD Lego Method Increase Student Understanding and Skills in the topic of multiplication and division. Now I'm going to explain about the problem statement. The main problem is students are making mistakes when doing long division method. This is because of careless mistakes and also misunderstanding of the division concept. It's also very hard for students to recheck the answer. I also found that students were complexity in understanding the relationship between multiplication and division because both have a different method of solution. So I innovated a method to solve both division and multiplication problems. I innovated the long division method into steps as MD Lego. I created each step according to place value. First step as 1, second step as tens, and following steps as 100 and 1000. This method can use for division and multiplication as well. Now I'm going to explain about how to apply our method in division. For example, 9168 divided 6. First, I have to write each number according to place value steps correctly. Then, number 8 we need to write in place value 1. Number 6 in place value tens, number 1 in place value 100, and number 9 in place value 1000. Other than that, we place number 6 on top of steps. We have to refer times 6 to answer this question. First, we need to look at number 9. There is 1 6 in number 9, so we fix 1 and 6. Then, we minus 6 from 9 and get 3 as a balance. Now we have to bring the balance 3 to downstairs and get 31. Like previous step, we need to refer times 6 to know how many 6 in 31. We get 5 times 6 equal to 30. Now we fix 5 and 30, then minus 30 from 31. We bring the balance 1 to downstairs and get 16. 2 times 6 equal to 12. So I have to fix 2 and 12. Then minus 12 from 16 and get 4. Then bring the balance 4 to downstairs and now the number is 48. If we refer times 6, we can get 8 times 6 equal to 48. Now we fix 6 and 48, then minus 48 from 48 and get balance 0. From this way, we can get the answer 1528. Now I explain how to use this method for multiplication. For example, 1528 times 6. For division, we put the question outside of the set. And now we need to put the question inside of set. Now have to write every number according to place value set correctly. Number 8 we put in place value 1, number 2 in place value 10, number 5 in place value 100, and number 1 in place value 1000. Then we put 6 on top of set. 1 times 6 equal to 6. There are 3 zeros in 1000. Therefore, we add 3 zeros beside number 6 and it's becoming 6000. Next step is 5 times 6 equal to 30. There is 2 zeros in 100. So, we need to add 2 zeros with 30. Then we get 3000. Then 2 times 6 equal to 12. There is 1 zero in 10. Then become 120. Similarly, 8 times 6 is 48. There is no zero in 1. So, no need to add 0 with 48. From this method, we have to add up all the numbers from outside of the stairs. Now, the last answer is 9168. In division, we have to put the question outside of the stairs and answer inside of the stairs. For multiplication, we put instead of versa. Question inside of the stairs, the answer is outside of the stairs. From this, we can perceive clearly the relationship between division and multiplication. As a result, division is a reverse of multiplication. Multiplication is a reverse of division too.